Hello viewers, welcome to the self-care. My name is Pallavi and today I am going to share with you a very effective coconut oil face packs for healthy and flawless skin. We all want flawless and glowing skin and at all times look for methods and hacks to progress our skin in the finest way promising. But did you know coconut oil can help you as you want? If you have dry skin you can use every day this magical oil. But it is not finest for persons with oily skin as it blocks pores. Coconut oil is packed with linoleic acid, lauric acid which promotes your skin. Coconut oil saves your skin hydrated, nourished, and healthy. It supports fixing and refreshing the skin cells. It is full of antioxidants that protect your skin from damaging free radicals. It also aids in reducing the down mark of aging and creates your skin young and bright. So add coconut oil face packs to your skincare routine. Before starting, one thing we all should remember is that when we use any face pack on our skin, the first thing we must do is clean our face properly. So don't waste any more time, let's start the remedies. Remedy 1. In a first face pack, you will need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 pinch of wild turmeric, also known as kasturi turmeric, 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. How to prepare and use? Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a bowl and add turmeric and lemon juice to it. Mix them fine and spread over the pack in your cleaned face. After 10 minutes, wash your face with plain water. Remedy 2. You will need 1 teaspoon coconut oil, a half teaspoon fuller's earth, also known as multani mitti, and a few drops of lemon juice. How to prepare and use? In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a half teaspoon of multani mitti, and a few drops of lemon juice. You can add warm water for making a smooth paste. Massage this pack gently on your face to remove dead skin cells. Rinse it off with water when it dries. But remember, we should rub our face softly because it can damage our skin. Remedy 3. In the last remedy, you will require 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, and half a teaspoon of yogurt. Now take a container, add coconut oil, orange peel powder, and yogurt, combine. Then apply on your face for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with normal water. Believe me, this remedy will be very beneficial for your face. So I hope these 3 remedies are helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to solve the question. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching and take care.